Girl, this little bottle of Ayurvedic oil might look simple, but trust me, it's been a game changer for my hair. And I use just 4 natural ingredients, which is probably lying somewhere in your kitchen. You remember I did a big chop because my edges ghosted me during postpartum. I've been through it all, girl. And now just look at the growth. This is the #1 oil that brought my hair back to life. So let's get right into it. In today's video, we'll be using rosemary, some dried moringa leaves. We will also be using some cloves, just a little bit of that, and of course a carrier oil, which is the coconut oil. So now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's go ahead and blend it all into powder. So the reason why I always prefer to blend these natural ingredients is because you unlock far more benefits than just simply mixing them into the oil without blending it. You know, like when it is blended, right, the infusion process allows the oil to absorb all the active compounds, the antioxidants and the vitamins that these herbs naturally contain. So you can see that our powder is ready, and here, look at that, Eesh. Okay, so I'm going to take some out of it because it is too much. I always prefer to make them in bits. You know, I don't want to make all the oil all at once. Yeah, so when it's finished, I can just put the oil in there, and then yeah. So here I'm adding the coconut oil. I'm just going to go ahead and mix the coconut in the powder. Just mix it very well. Let it like mix and sit. So that's exactly what you're going to do, okay? Just look at this guys. Okay, so when you are done with this, right, what you're going to do is you're going to leave it to sit for 1 day. Okay, just cover it up and let it sit down for 1 day. Now I mistakenly left it for like 3 days because I had work and I was super busy, and so this is the result. You can actually see that the oil has changed. It looks more greenish, you know. Yeah, that's a power compound for you guys. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use this mesh. I actually didn't get like a smaller mesh, so I use this material to separate the oil. Okay, and now our oil is ready. Guys, look at this. This is going to grow your hair, trust me. So I'm going to get my container and store it in. I do not have the oil applicator, but I'll look for it. This will do for now. Okay, so let's go ahead and test it out. Just look at this, guys. Look at this. Don't joke with this, I'm telling you. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair with some water. I always like to do this because I want the oil to be able to penetrate deeply into my scalp and my strands. So I go ahead and do a light massage and, you know, try to get the moisture in there before I do the application. So while I'm doing the application, I'm going to go ahead and tell you some of the benefits of this oil, right? But first of all, I just want to show you how I do my application. I section my hair, then I apply the oil to my scalp, and then also to my hair, and also at my ends. You know, your ends are the weakest part of your hair, so you need not to forget your ends. Okay, so while you're looking at this, I'm going to go ahead and tell you some of the benefits. So this Ayurvedic hair growth blends powerhouse ingredients that each bring unique benefits for long, healthy hair. Moringa is rich in vitamin A, B, E plus zinc, and it also nourishes the scalp and strengthens the hair follicles to reduce breakage. Rosemary improves the blood circulation to the scalp. It stimulates growth and helps prevent thinning. Cloves, on the other hand, have an antimicrobial properties that keeps the scalp clean while boosting your hair thickness and shine. And coconut oil deeply nourishes, moisturizes, and penetrates the hair shaft to prevent protein loss. It also protects against dryness and split ends. So together, this combination not only stimulates faster hair growth, but also it strengthens the roots and reduces dandruff and leaves the hair soft and shiny. A natural recipe for long healthy strands. Come on guys, this is a powerhouse. If I say it's a powerhouse, trust me. Okay, so you do that in sections and then you apply it nicely. Now, I am the worst person when it comes to protective styles. I do not know on this planet Earth. I do not know how to. Okay, so instead of all this twisting, and I applied the oil into sections, and then when I finished, I just undid the twist and I just allowed my hair to breathe. Okay, that is what I did. So if you can put your hair in a protective style, that would be amazing, that would be good. But I couldn't. I don't know, it's because my hair was short and it wasn't like very long, so I did it for demonstration so that you can see how I did my application. And then when I finished, I just go ahead and I finished the whole hair and I just allowed it to breathe. Yeah, I allowed it to breathe. This is me on a daily basis. This is me every day. Okay, I just I love my hair this way. This power combo, guys, don't take this for granted, please. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give me a like and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great weekend.